Well, I just, really I can't speak enough to how much I've been waiting for this ever since I got a chance to experience this on, I can't remember the exact brood number, but it was 2016. And it was in the eastern part of the state of Ohio on water that I work more commonly for pike and smallmouth. And it was a little slice of heaven. I mean, it was, at that time, I really wasn't following it that much. I'd heard about it, but really wasn't paying attention to it and didn't know what to expect. And after the peak 3 weeks of that happening, it was so awesome that, like, when it was over, all you could think about was like how much you wanted it back.
Hey, we're in Central Ohio today, and it is Brood X Mania. It's early June. The Brood X 17-year cicadas are on the water. And for about a week now, it's been absolute mayhem. The shop has been crazy. I think we've sold about almost 10,000 cicada patterns over the past couple of months. One of the most anticipated fly angling events in years and years and years, and we're right smack in the middle of it. So we're gonna actually spend a couple of weeks here chasing these things, chasing them down. Today we're kind of looking for some largemouth, maybe a catfish or two. Yes, on the surface on the cicada, obviously panfish on almost every cast. And then we're gonna be looking for carp, because it's really one of the best times of your life to get carp on the surface. So follow along, it's Brood X Mania. Yeah, man, cicada mania, what a blast. I'm fishing a 5-weight just for fun, I hope I tie into a giant carp or something. All right, we ready? How could you not?
Oh, we got a monster.
No, that's a nice bluegill.
That's a good.
Hey man, I've said it before, I'll say it again. We do not discriminate, man. All fish are welcome on our boat. Well, you guys, I'm an inclusive angler. Record species, we're getting attacked by cicadas. This is total mayhem. I'm sorry, I thought it was a catfish. I didn't get a great look at him. But, man, what an angling experience this is.
I suppose you want to fish netted.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice. Man, catfish on a dry fly. Yeah, you know, it's kind of notorious if we go fishing with Josh, I injure a digit of some sorts, and you know, that's what you get. I've handled plenty of catfish. I'm certainly not a catfish expert, but oh, and there's more. So I'm gonna get all bandaged up. At least our guide has proper bandages this time. We probably handled that fish a little too much, trying to get some video and some photographs. I'll take the blame on that. And he just wiggled out and got me, and so I'm down a couple of middle fingers. So I hope nobody cuts me off in traffic on the way home. I won't be able to do anything. I'm good.
You out? You out?
Yeah, I'm good.
It's not a little one either.
No.
It's not like the kind of carp you'd want to handle on a 5-weight.
Oh, I want to. I just don't know if I can.
I'm gonna have to back you up a little bit on the motor, I think. I'll stay out, but oh boy, are you in a lot of trouble with that fish. That is a big fish. I got the muskie net out. That's how big he is.
Okay, I'm at the end of my lead.
Oh, he's going. He's going. Jeez,
I got it.
That's probably a 20 anyway. Holy smokes. That's a 20-pound fish.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! We had to get the muskie net out.
Monster carp on a 5-weight.
Oh. I hooked that fish 60 yards back there, 70 yards back. Wow. Monster carp on a 5-weight, Cicada Mania. I'm telling you, friends, if you can experience this, figure out when the broods happen in your area. Get yourself some of these. This Project Cicada is the one for the carp. There's no question. It's got the big hook. I've probably had 7 or 8 fish come up and literally open their mouths and kind of chew on the end of the fly, not commit. But we had a rain come through, and I think all of a sudden these fish are eating them. They were not eating them. They were reluctant this morning. That we waited out the rain, and now they're eating them. I mean, we just had 2 fish over there that were just gorging themselves on cicadas. Absolutely. Crazy, 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 crazy. Very rarely do you get to fish for carp on the surface of the water like this with a dry fly. I mean, I'm fishing a 5-weight, a floating fly line. I've got, for this type of fishing, like grasshoppers, terrestrials, I like these airflow poly leaders, but I had to go to the bass version because the monofilament throughout is too thin on the trout versions. So in order to attach 1X tippet, I had to go to the bass version. But okay, I think I've recovered some strength. Yeah.
Ready?
All right, let me try this. Yeah. Oh my gosh, what an absolute thrill. I mean, wow. This has turned out to be, I mean, just as far as sheer action, sheer excitement. How many species we got there today, Josh? 6 or 7? 7 different species. one fly, one rod. We're 20 minutes from Mad River Outfitters. Really, this may go down as one of the top angling experiences of my life. So much fun. And the cool thing is, it's just getting started here in Ohio. We probably have another couple, 3 weeks of this, which is unbelievable. So now I'm going to pull out my fly line wipe, and I'm going to clean my fly line, and I'm going to change my fly, and that's all just a ploy because I think I just landed about 35 pounds worth of carp, and it's just a ploy because I need to rest. I need to take a break. Well, there you have it, friends. I really hate to leave, but I got to go to work, believe it or not. But truly one of the most epic afternoons of fishing I've ever had. Of course, special thanks to Josh McQueen of Mad River Outfitters and Ohio Fly Fishing Guides for bringing us out here. As you can hear, I mean, it's just almost deafening, the sound of the cicadas. I think we've caught 7 different species of fish today. I've got 2 epic carp on a 5-weight. Lost the tip of my 5-weight, went to the 8-weight, which I'm glad I had for catching all these catfish that we have this afternoon. Just can't say enough about it. This is, it's just a shame. Whoever made cicadas so that they only showed up every 17 years was just not an angler. Because if this happened every year, I don't know, we'd never work. We'd never do anything else. So as always, oh, I wanted to talk real quick. This is so easy. A floating fly line. You know, I was fishing my 5-weight, that's a little undergun. 6, 7, 8-weight, depends on what you're catching. If you're carp fishing, I'd go with the 8. If you're catching, you know, the catfish and panfish and bass, a 6 or a 7-weight will work. I've got a 9-foot leader. I had an Airflow poly leader on my 5-weight, and then I've got the same exact leader that I use for bonefish in the Bahamas. I'm tapered down to actually I'm 1X on the tippet, so it's about a 9-foot leader on, of course, my bright orange flip pallet floating fly line. Pair of nippers, I've used fly floating a couple of times today. That's all you need to do this. And if you're gonna do it like we did, make sure you have a big net. So thanks as always for being here and following along. We really appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. That really helps us out. Hit that like button, that just makes us feel good. Stay tuned, we've got a lot more coming at you.
If you like this video, hit subscribe. It helps out a lot. And check out these videos. We think you might like them too.